Made from the leaves of the Australian tea tree, the essential oil has been used for hundreds of years to treat cuts and wounds and to prevent infection. The oil has powerful antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties that make it a fantastic natural remedy and safe cleaner. We've got a lot to cover in this video, so let's get straight into the uses of tea tree oil around the home. 1. Antiseptic. One of the many uses for tea tree oil is for its antibacterial properties. It's especially effective against topical bacterial infections. To keep wound bacteria-free, apply a drop of tea tree oil to a gauze bandage before dressing and make sure to replace bandage daily. 2. Cough relief. Taking prescription medicines for coughs always comes with precautions, so it's good to consider alternative and natural ways to treat coughs. Add 10 drops of tea tree oil to a vaporizer and allow the machine to work for 10 minutes to address bronchial issues. Add 2 drops of tea tree oil to a pot of hot water and breathe the vapor for cough relief or massage your chest with tea tree oil. 3. First aid. Make sure to include tea tree oil in your first aid kit for its wonderful benefits in first aid. For minor cuts, burns, and insect bites, apply a drop or 2 of tea tree oil to the affected area for its antiseptic and pain relief properties. You can also massage the feet of a victim of a traumatizing accident or mishap to help soothe shock. 4. Pest and insect repellent. Tea tree oil is also known to have pest and insect repelling properties as well as pesticidal benefits. Just mix a cup of witch hazel and 2 teaspoons of tea tree oil to make a tick repellent spray you can apply to your shoes and your feet to repel ticks. Apply 2 drops of tea tree oil directly to ticks to eliminate these pesky parasites, or mix a liter of water with 15 drops of tea tree oil and apply to areas you want insects repelled. 5. Parasitic infection treatment. Since tea tree oil has antibacterial and pest-repelling properties, parasitic infections are no match for its healing abilities. Apply 2 drops of tea tree oil directly to areas affected with scabies in the morning and before bedtime for relief. 6. Personal care. Tea tree oil's antibacterial and deodorizing properties make it effective in hygienic procedures. Make an antibacterial soap with 2 tablespoons of tea tree oil added to 3 pounds of cold processed soap before molding, or add 15 drops of tea tree oil to your bath for cleansing. 7. Pain reliever. Tea tree oil has amazing penetrating agents and is a strong solvent, making it effective for relieving bodily stresses and pain. Use tea tree oil to massage affected areas in the direction of the heart to soothe painful inflammation, or make a treatment for sunburn by mixing a drop of lavender oil, a drop of tea tree oil, and a teaspoon of coconut oil. You can even alleviate a toothache by applying a drop to the painful area. But make sure not to ingest tea tree oil, as it's toxic. 8. Disinfectant. With tea tree oil's ability to fight both fungus and bacteria, no wonder it's an effective disinfectant. You can add tea tree oil to make homemade disinfectant wipes, or put tea tree oil in a warm water solution for disinfecting and cleaning combs and hairbrushes. Another option is to add a teaspoon of tea tree oil to a cup of vinegar and use this solution for cleaning taps, switches, light plates, doorknobs, and handles to prevent cold viruses. 9. Head lice treatment. Eliminate and prevent the spread of head lice with a simple tea tree oil in this solution. Just mix 20 drops of tea tree oil with 2 tablespoons of shampoo and massage the solution into your hair and scalp and soak for 20 minutes. Rinse and repeat the process until all eggs are gone. 10. All-around home care. Tea tree oil with its disinfecting properties makes an effective natural and chemical-free all-purpose house cleaner. You can use tea tree oil to treat wood furniture so they're insect and pest-proof, and keep your washing machine smelling fresh by adding a teaspoon of tea tree oil to your detergent. You can even fight mildew and mold by making a solution of 2 cups of water and 2 tablespoons of tea tree oil and applying it to affected areas. 11. Oral care. As an effective antibacterial, bad germs and bacteria in the mouth are no match for tea tree oil. Mix tea tree oil and purified water to make a powerful mouthwash to freshen your breath. Again, make sure not to swallow it. Alternative, Mix a cup of warm water and a drop of tea tree oil and gargle the solution to get rid of thrush and other gum diseases. 12. Rheumatic pain relief. As we've already mentioned, tea tree oil is a natural solvent and is easily absorbed into the skin, so its healing properties become more effective with absorption. For joint pain, you can dilute tea tree oil with water and apply as needed to painful joints. Just mix 10 drops of tea tree oil with 2 tablespoons of carrier oil and massage into areas affected by gout for pain relief. Or to reduce arthritis pain, massage the affected area with a mixture of 2 ounces of grapeseed oil with 20 drops of tea tree oil on the afflicted joint 3 times a day. 13. Body pain relief. For muscle pain, the best tea tree treatment is to bathe in warm water added with a few drops of tea tree oil. You may also add half a cup of Epsom salt for added benefits. For painful sciatica, you can use a mixture of a tablespoon of carrier oil and 10 drops of tea tree to massage the afflicted area up to 3 times a day. 14. Facial care. When looking after your skin, it's wise to avoid using harmful chemicals in commercial products and use natural tea tree oil instead. Use tea tree oil diluted in water as a natural makeup remover, and cleanse your face and remove blemishes by using cotton dabbed in tea tree oil to clean the affected areas. 15. Deodorizer. Tea tree oil has a natural strong aroma and ability to kill odor-causing bacteria. You can intensify your homemade deodorant by adding 25 drops to your recipe, or simply mix baking soda, coconut oil, and tea tree oil to make a homemade deodorant, which effectively eliminates body odor and the bacteria that cause the odor. 16. Sanitizer. Considering tea tree oil is an effective antiseptic, dealing with bacteria in your surroundings is no problem. Make a homemade hand sanitizer by mixing 30 drops of tea tree oil, 10 drops of clove oil, 10 drops of lavender oil, and 8 ounces of aloe vera gel. 17. Home linen care. Even natural laundry care is covered by tea tree oil. Just add a few teaspoons of tea tree oil to your laundry to make it smell fresh. You can also add half a teaspoon of tea tree oil to laundry to prevent mold. 18. Kitchen and bathroom cleaner. Mix 2 cups of water and 2 teaspoons of tea tree oil and spray this solution when cleaning the kitchen and bathroom. Not only will it get your surfaces sparkling, but it'll also bring a fresh, clean scent into the room you're cleaning. Conclusion. Users of tea tree oil vouch for its seemingly miraculous properties and abilities. If you've never paid much attention to tea tree oil before, it's about time you did. Buy the oil for yourself and experience the many incredible uses for tea tree oil. Do you use tea tree oil in your home? If you do, what are your favorite uses for tea tree oil? Share with us in the comments section below. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. And don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you'll enjoy our next video on 29 life hacks, uses, and benefits of tea tree oil. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.